when I talked about risk-based vulnerability management, we were the first team to actually look at machine learning and artificial intelligence to look at attacker behavior and prioritize vulnerabilities. When WannaCry happened, the exploit was actually built using machine learning code obfuscation, so it can prevent every antivirus solution out there. We're the guys who wrote it, right? We're proud of what we did. But at the same time, when you start looking at what we did in MDM, the app security piece actually uses AI as well. So, but now we're talking about another evolution of Gen AI. So in Ivanti, what we did was, we were the first pilot for Microsoft Copilot to take ITSM and showcase the power of what you can do in service management. I think we deserve a clap for that, right? And this was showcased at Microsoft's October launch of Copilot. The first use case we did was incident correlation. Really correlating all your incidents so you can truly address the ones that are most important. We worked on knowledge bases. This is, again, a very important aspect, self-serve, based on the tickets, based on what you're doing, triaging, being able to create knowledge bases, right? Again, this is also for our innovators. This is also for our extensible partners, how we can actually work with you on creating these knowledge bases. We worked on incident summarization. Think about every one of these. Our partners now can start offering services. They can proactively engage with our customers. For you internally, your organizations are going to do a lot better from a performance perspective. We had NLP-based dashboards. You can search with simple sentences and text, and you'll get back the results with full context. We have done AI assistant ticket context, right? You actually have that as well. Come in, look at the self-serve, drag and drop, and really create a lot of stuff. The other one, which is a very important one, extensibility. You're spending a few months to do integrations. There were a lot of questions about inter-Ivanti products, intra products, right? Inter-intra. What we did last year was, October we said, we're going to actually partner with an integration platform as a service. We partner with Workato. The number one goal is extensibility of our ITSM and expand it to other Ivanti products. We said we will launch it on Jan 1st. Super aggressive, a lot of skepticism. We worked with design partners. We exactly released on Jan 1st. Yes, it's a new year. We actually released this. Today, by default, you have 1,000 integrations, 5,000 plus recipes. You can actually see that. When you log into your ITSM, if you're a design partner, if it's provisioned, you can actually see pretty much anybody and everybody you do business with, we have an ability to integrate very quickly. And by the way, if you have worked with our ITSM, it's really powerful from a low-code, no-code. The first integration we did was with Ivanti products, because that's a question we get asked. Can you integrate within your own product? We did that. And if you look at the use case here, it's Ivanti with Jira. And a lot of you asked, will you integrate with your competitors? We said, end of the day, we co-live, co-survive, and we co-compete. And we integrated with Jira. Why? We keep talking about IT, we keep talking about security. We forgot the most important class, the developer. Here we go. The ADO integration, the Jira integration now brings a developer into Ivanti, which are always left on the left, right? You can actually see this integration here. And finally, you'll also look at how do you truly manage your attack surface. It's been the real challenge with IT, you just looked at, with security, with AI, with all types of different devices. Your exponential growth of your attack surface is very hard to manage. First, you need to know what it is. You want to get an advantage from an attacker's view, right? What are attackers seeing about? What are adversaries seeing about our network? What do they know about us that we don't know? It's a very important question. And here, if you take a look at what Ivanti has been doing over the years, cyber asset attack surface management, we have an amazing asset discovery solution. It's actually one of the best in the industry, right? We actually do a much better job than our competitors. The next thing is risk-based prioritization. We just talked about it. We were the pioneers in it. And we also talked about continuous attack surface discovery. Once I know what's on the attack, I can enumerate, I can look for exposures. The best of it is patch. That's our heritage. We are the best patch vendor today. If you take a look at every security company out there, majority of them underneath the hood, that's Ivanti, Qualys, Broadcom, you name it, SentinelOne, Palo Alto. By the way, it's Ivanti. I don't know how many of you actually paid attention to that. It's our engine that they use to fix the problems they find. Then why not we put all this together? That's exactly what we have done. Chasm is all about bringing the strengths of Ivanti together and being able to automate how you discover an asset, the enumeration, the exposure, and remediation.